What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to play We Are In This Together by Justin Bieber. So I came across this song on YouTube last night and it has a nice loop to it. And you know, I was just figuring out the chords and I realized they were really simple and really easy. So I thought this would be a good guitar lesson to make for you guys to check out, okay? So basically, there are only 3 chords in this song: D, A, and G. So I'm sure you know how to play D. But just to recap, D, A, G. Okay? So I'm going to teach you guys the really simple version first, so that you can play along to this song straight away, right? So it goes like this: D, A, right? So it's basically a 2-bar chord progression and it loops. D, A, G, G, D, A, okay? So anyway, I play A like this. I use my index finger to like fret like 3 strings, the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string. You can play A like this. Doesn't matter, okay? Whichever is more comfortable for you. So let's move on to like the slightly harder variation. And the slightly harder variation goes like this. Right? That's the first part. Then the next part it goes. Right? Actually, hang on, let me play that again. It should go right, because the bass note is here. Okay? Alright, so let's talk a bit about the rhythm right now. So you're gonna play D on the first beat, and you're gonna play A on the of beat 1, and then you're gonna play the G on the end of 2. So it's like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Then you're gonna play the exact same rhythm: G D A 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and, right? Simple. So now with the slightly harder version, we're changing chords in the same place. We're playing D chord on beat 1, we're playing the A on the we're playing the G on the end of 2, and when it goes to G, D, A, we're playing the exact same thing. But now that we're plucking the notes one by one, right? So the first voicing I'm going to play is the D chord, and this is how I voice the D voicing. I pluck 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, and goes to A/C sharp, which is A chord and C sharp in the bass. And just play the G chord, just 3 strings, 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string together. Right? So that's the first part. And the second part is G/B, which is what we just played. But now I'm playing 4 strings together, 5th, 4th, the 2nd, because I just want the melody. I'm gonna play D chord, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then A/C sharp. Oops, sorry, 3 strings. C sharp, 5th string, 4th string, and 3rd string. Right? So the first part I pluck it, then the second part I just pluck the strings together. But I want the melody to go, right? And then it just loops, you know, it just loops on and on again. And basically, that's the whole song. We're In This Together by Justin Bieber. A really quick lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And yeah, if you guys want me to teach you guys any specific songs, please feel free to just comment in the comments down below and just let me know. And I'll be happy to teach you guys. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you. Bye.